Alright, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Andrew, and today I want to talk to you about taxes and crypto taxes. We should always pay our taxes. Pay your taxes. Crypto is taxed. Depending on how long you've held it, you can have a short-term tax or a long-term tax, but pay your taxes. Let's be just super clear on that. Everyone should pay your taxes. The reason I'm talking about it is because there are some ways to avoid certain taxes on your crypto. There's some tactics that some people use, but let's be clear, you should pay your taxes. I'm just going to put them out there so that people know. And the reason I'm doing it is actually because I'm part of a lot of forums online, and they were talking about how to avoid your paying taxes on crypto. And I want to put it out there: one, pay your taxes, don't avoid it. But the method that they were talking about is completely wrong. So I want to put it out there. How you should do this, possibly in the right way if that's something you're trying to do, but pay your taxes in the first place, and then you won't have any trouble with it. Now, there are a lot of people who, I'm sure you've noticed, crypto YouTubers who move to a different country. They move to Dubai, for example. I'm sure that you have noticed that Dubai has no taxes. So a lot of crypto YouTubers go there. There's also Puerto Rico has a really, really great tax rate in Puerto Rico. I think it's 3 or 4% in Puerto Rico. So a lot of crypto people move over to Puerto Rico, which is a great option because Puerto Rico is a U.S. acquisition, I guess you could call it. I'm not sure what the correct term is. I'm sure that's probably wrong. I apologize if that's wrong. But you can move to Puerto Rico and save on taxes there. Another way that you can save on the crypto taxes is not by removing your money, but by taking a crypto loan out. And if you're in the U.S., the way to do this is through BlockFi, Ledin. There are a few crypto loan places that you can use. So what you would do is, for example, you log into your BlockFi account and you take out a crypto loan, crypto-backed loan like this. All right, say it's for $500,000, whatever the amount is for BTC. You open your account, you take out the loan. They will transfer. They'll tell you how much collateral you need for the amount that you're trying to put in. Keep in mind, it's 50% of the value. So if you want a loan of $200,000, you have to put in $400,000 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum. I believe they do Litecoin as well for the loans. Yes, they do. Pax Gold. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Pax Gold. And they tell you how much collateral, but keep in mind you have to do double the amount. So you want 100,000, you have to put in 200,000 worth. Then, once you take out your loan, BlockFi will transfer the funds in USD to your bank account. Once they transfer the amount to your bank account, you can repay the loan. Now, there's two trains of thoughts on repaying the loan. One, you could have them simply, you send them an email and you say, "Hi, can you please liquidate my loan, use the collateral to liquidate my loan and return outstanding collateral back to my account." You can do that. However, when they do that, there is possibly the chance that you could be taxed because it could be a taxable event based on the laws that are in place now, and they might be changing as well in the future, right? We don't know exactly. So you can have them liquidate your collateral and pay off your loan. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is the other way to do it is to have USDC in your account and pay off that loan in USDC, have them return the entire collateral back to your account, and then you would transfer back to your Binance account or your Bybit account, wherever you trade, right? The Phoenix, whatever it might be. And then you could go ahead and change that Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum back into USDT or whatever stablecoin you were using at the time. So that is one way to do it. That's what I do, but keep in mind, I'm not in the US. There are different laws in the country I'm in. So I don't have KYC for Bybit. I don't have KYC for Binance, these types of things. If you are going to go this route, you should use NordVPN for one, so that way you can get an account that doesn't require KYC, and then go from there. I think really the best way to do it and to get your money out of crypto without being taxed 1,000,000,000%, one is to move to a country and become a citizen of a country that has no taxes, like Dubai. You move to Dubai. That's one really great way to do it. Or Puerto Rico is another really great way to do it. If you're gonna go the way of taking out a loan, I like BlockFi, Ledin. There's some good ways to do it, but keep in mind you're only able to take out a loan for 50% of the value of your total collateral. Additionally, you should pay it back with USDC that you have. So, for example, if I'm taking out a $100,000 loan, I need to give them $200,000 worth of crypto as collateral, and I have to have an additional $100,000 of USDC available to pay off this loan, so that I'm sure that I'm not triggering a taxable event. All right, so just keep that in mind. You have to have some amounts available in your account for that. As far as the crypto markets are going today, everything's great. I mean, everything it's continuing. Ethereum is just continuing to go. I'm really pretty heavily into Cardano right now. Actually, I'm really looking for that $2 Cardano phase, and I'm actually considering making a bigger position in Litecoin, actually, because Litecoin, if you look at the chart for Litecoin, it's a top 10 crypto, right? Litecoin's been around forever, and the chart, it's just starting to peak above its EMA ribbons and just starting to move back up. Historically, it had way higher levels versus Bitcoin, so it could be really, really interesting trade to have on. I know everyone's really big on the Shiba Inu now. I did have a little bit of that, but you know, I just don't see it going anywhere. To be honest, it's not worth. It's a lottery ticket. If you have $100, $200, you want to sink into that, go for it. It's not really worth sinking your whole position in your crypto into Shiba Inu token for sure. But as a lottery ticket, why not? I bought a little bit of it. I think I have $100 left. I bought 1,000 and then I sold a bunch, and so now I think I have about $100 still left. And it's a lottery ticket. If you're gonna do that, sure, why not? Anyway, pay your taxes. That's really the best and easiest way to do it, to be, you know, totally upfront with everyone. But if you're gonna if you're gonna take out a loan or do these other things, move to a different country, that's how you do it. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. If you like this information, hit up the like button, pound up that like button, subscribe. It really helps the channel. 1 subscriber, woo, we're moving up. I would love it if you subscribe to the channel and share. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.